Yeah. So this is the last example what we discussed, like a
Yes.
HTML and Hibernate integration. I mean, servlets
Yeah.
and Hibernate integration. So first one is login.html.
Yes.
So we have an action, and on click of this one, it will reach servlet. So this one you know, right?
Yeah.
So on click of submit, it will look for the action, and it will go to the web.xml, correct?
Yep.
And it will find out the URL pattern.
Okay. So action login.html actually you are mainly putting on the action XYZ and that is
Yes.
connected.
Yes, correct.
Oh, okay, got it. So that means that all those have to go for action in the login.html.
Yes, that's all only action. So,
Oh,
so
okay.
from the action, you will find out the corresponding servlet URL pattern,
Yes.
servlet name, my servlet. This is your servlet name, and the original servlet is com.login.servlet, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, and it will go to the servlet. So inside the servlet, which method it will execute, do get or do post? So that is based on.
Okay. Yeah.
So now you know the method, you know the servlet. So enter into the servlet directly. So it will come to the servlet, and it will execute the do post. What is the API? Do get.
Do, do
So
get me.
so this is the do get, to start executing. So here what we are trying to do, we are reading the username and password, we are printing it, we are trying to compare with the database, all those things, correct?
Yeah.
So after that, what we are trying to do here, we are we kept here Hibernate code configuration CFG equal to, we are trying to read the configuration. From that configuration, we are trying to get the session factory. From that, we are getting the session. From that, we are getting the transaction. Correct?
So in that means that in the servlet.java, I have to actually add the configuration file from the Hibernate.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, correct. Inside your SRC, you need to copy the cfg.xml and HBM files, all those things.
Yep.
I'll show you that one also, so that you'll get more idea. If you see your SRC, inside SRC, we have a COM, we have a test folder. If you open the test folder, you have a cfg.xml, you have a employee.java, you have your hbm.xml.
Right.
So here you will not see any manager main class. Why? Because so we did the piece of code inside your servlet, correct? Inside your servlet, do get method.
Yeah.
So here we are calling a method called get employee list. So we have a session here. So we are writing a query, create query, and we are trying to get all the employees from the database.
Yep.
So in the similar, we create another table called users and add two fields, username and password, and get the username and password for a particular user, and try to compare the username and password whatever you got from the request parameters.
Right.
So right now in this example, we are trying to compare, we are hard coding and we are checking, correct, XYZ and PQR.
Yeah.
So instead of that, you will get the username and password from the create query, and from the query you will read the parameters.
Right.
So this is what we can able to connect Hibernate from Servlet.
So that means we don't need the CFG file in the web.
No, it's not required. It's not required.
Okay.
So all
Okay.
the Hibernate related XMLs will be there under SRC.
Okay.
All the Hibernate related files should be there under SRC. So only web.xml will be there under web content. Both are in different location. Both are XMLs, but still they are in different location.
Different location.
Yes. Don't
So
confuse
in the
like, yeah.
okay. In the SRC, under SRC, we have the file actually the HBM, XML, and employee.java and CFG all will be under the SRC folder. But in the web content, it will be separate folder. Under separate folder, we have the web.xml.
Correct. Web.xml will be there always in under web content only.
Okay.
Under web content, under WebInf, under web.xml. So this is the standard.
Okay. So this web.xml, I'm connecting with the in the servlet under SRC. Is that right?
Yes, we are giving inside of your web.xml, you are giving your servlet path, com, src, login. So it will look this file inside your src.
Oh yeah, yep, yeah, got it now.
Now you got it right.
Yeah, so I got the login servlet it will be under SRC.
Yes.
So and this web.xml is connecting with the SRC. In the action, I have to put something else.
URL mapping.
Yeah. In the HBM XML down.
Yes.
Okay, so total how many file in the web content actually? If suppose one is the web.xml
and HTML, like that is up to you how many you are going to write.
Oh yeah.
So HTML, web.xml, and all supported libraries we have to copy into lib folder. All supported libraries we have to copy into lib folder.
All supported means that is supporting
Hibernate, yes. All related to Hibernate related to jars we have to copy into lib folder.
Okay.
So that is another difference.
Okay, so that means that okay, please tell.
Yeah, so right now the lib under lib folder I deleted all the jars. Why? Because when I'm making the zip right to send you in the email, I sent you last time this project, right?
Yeah.
So I'm not able to send all the lib jars. Why? Because jar is having .class files, correct?
Yeah.
So email will not allow that kind of .class files. Email will allow only .java files.
Right.
When you are trying to attach .class file in your Gmail account, right? Attachments. So it will not allow .class files. So that's what whenever I'm sending an email, what I used to do, I used to delete the all class under class. I used to delete all the files. I used to send only Java files. You see under here, right? You will see the .class files. So you are not able to send this file in the email. So you can able to send only .java files. Because this is the compiled one, this is the executable file, right?
Yeah.
So Gmail they will not allow because it will cause some virus.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me, you have some question?
No, okay, yeah. So I got it. So that means that whenever I go for web content, so I should go for two things. One is the web content, and another is just a SRC source folder.
Yes.
In the web content, actually, the one is the web.xml and login.html is also will be there, or I should be created in the under SRC.
No. This is all HTML should be there under web content. This is the web related file, right?
Yeah. This is a web related file, right?
Yes. So you should be there under web content.
Okay.
All web related files should be there under web content.
Web content, and under source, then I have to create some configuration
you can under resource, under SRC, you can create your servlets, listeners, filters, Hibernate files, everything.
Okay, got it. Now I'm clear.
All Java files should be there under SRC plus
under
Hibernate
source.
related files. Hibernate related files are this is not related to web correct? Then we can able to do the standalone simple Java class, and we used to copy all this cfg.xml inside src, correct?
Right.
So Hibernate related file should be there under src.
Right. Yeah, I got it now. Actually, I was trying to get inside into more, but somehow, I cannot able to connect with the one to each other.
That's fine. Now you got idea, right?
Yeah, now I got the idea. Okay, I'll practice and then I
Yeah,
think
you
I'll
can
be more
practice, and
clear.
if you have any questions, we'll discuss again also, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, today we will start in another topic. Okay, let me disconnect, and you don't disconnect. I will disconnect and connect. Okay. Just I will
Okay.
create a new video so that it will be good for you.
Okay, thank you. That's fine. Yep.